Welcome to MyTFFR member self-service portal. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use MyTFFR to estimate your retirement benefit. You may pause this video at any time. To get started, log into MyTFFR by selecting the Member Login button on the North Dakota Retirement and Investment Office's website. This will bring you to the North Dakota login page. Please use your State of North Dakota login credentials to access your account. On MyTFFR's main page, which is known as your dashboard, members can use the tiles to review and update account information. Here, you will select the Estimate My Benefit tile. You will be brought to the Benefit Estimate page where you can create a new estimate by clicking the Create Benefit Estimate button. Before continuing, take a moment to review and become familiar with the different sections of the Benefit Estimator. The Composition Detail section shows your earliest retirement date for unreduced benefits. It also displays the final average salary and service credit used in the benefit calculation. Entering an estimate description can help you easily distinguish between multiple saved estimates. Be sure to select Save Estimate to apply this description. The Composition Summary section provides information about your account status based on the retirement date you have entered. The Monthly Benefit Amount section reflects your estimated monthly benefit based on the composition detail information. To change the retirement date or salary used in your estimate, select the What If Analysis tab. In this section, select the drop-down arrow in the What If I box to view the different factors that can be adjusted within your benefit estimate. You can choose from options such as What If I change my retirement date or my last day of work, change my final average salary, change my primary beneficiary, choose to take the 12-month partial lump sum option, purchase a service credit, and include tax withholding instructions. For example, if you wanted to include a projected salary increase, you would do so by selecting the Change My Final Average Salary option. You can then enter either a fixed monthly final average salary amount or an annual salary increase percentage. After entering this information, select Save Estimate to update your monthly benefit amount estimates. Note how the What If analysis has changed your monthly benefit amount. You may use multiple What If analysis options within the same estimate. Be sure to select Save Estimate after each change to ensure your updates are applied. Once all options have been selected and saved, choose Complete Estimate. This will save the specific estimate to your portal for future viewing. Please note that once completed, no further changes can be made to that estimate. After clicking the Complete Estimate button, click OK. You can also download the estimate to print or save to your computer by selecting the Download Estimate button. If you need to review an estimate that was previously created, return back to My Benefit Estimate. Select the box next to the calculation ID number that you'd like to view. Then select Open. If you need assistance at any time, return to the dashboard and select the Contact Us tile to submit a secure request for help.